Ang tuling tila ulap sa gabi, usok sa kalawakang madilim. Pag-ibig na walang kasing tamis, dumadaloy ngunit iniwan ay lamig. Hindi pa ako handa, hindi na magiging handa. Bigla ka na lang nawala, bigla lang nawala. Akala ko may oras pa, akala ko may bukas pang natitira. Hindi ko inakalang mundo'y biglang titigil. Hindi ko inakalang yun na pala ang huling ngiti. Ngiti, patingin, ngumiting muli. Buong buhay ko'y ikaw aking kasama. Akala ko hanggang sa pagtanda, naniwala akong totoo ang habang buhay. Di ko iningatan ang halaga ng ating kasalukuyan. Hindi pa ako handa, hindi na magiging handa. Bigla ka na lang nawala, bigla lang nawala. Akala ko may oras pa, akala ko may bukas pang natitira. Hindi ko inakalang mundo'y biglang titigil. Hindi ko inakalang yun na pala ang huling ngiti. Ngiti, ngumiting muli. Ang daming oras ang iyong nais makapili, daming oras ang pilit isinantabi. Oh, ngiti, 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 oh, ngiti, patingin, ngumiting muli. Akala ko may bukas pang natitira, ngumiting muli.
Marlo Mortel!
Gusto ko mas pogi pa sa pagkaganyan kalapit. Hi, Marlo.
Hi, good morning.
Terno kami ni Marlo. I'm sorry. I love it that you. Parang pinag-usapan natin.
At mga kapatid, surprise! Kasama din natin ang singer-actress na si Alisa Mulak. Good morning, Alisa!
Good morning! Diyos ko, napaka-fresh. Ayan, let's talk about your music. Unahin natin si Marlo because we just heard from you. Tell us more about the song that you sang for us.
Okay, so Huling Ngiti actually, it's about my mom. Because she passed away a few years back because of cancer. And this is about the last time that I saw her smile. Because it was, what they call this, unexpected. Yung pag-alis ko ng hospital, my dad called me na parang ayun na pala yung, parang she passed away that time. So what happened is, my last memory of her na okay siya is her smile. So that's why it's about regrets. But actually, it's also for people who, you know, who was left by their partner or loved one, di ba, na hanggang doon na lang pala talaga.
Pakikingakuli yan kasi iba yung inisip ko parang romantic angle.
Actually, hindi pa siya nire-release. It's gonna be released on June 26. Ano ba ngayon? July na pala. Nakikita na ako.
It's okay.
July 26.
Unang patikim kanina.
Unang patikim. The first time ko actually nakantayin siya na with that arrangement. Medyo naputol lang siya kanina sa bridge. Tumalon tayo, nag-skip. But that's how it's gonna sound.
Oo.
Marlo, ikaw kasi syempre, you've been in the industry for quite a while. You've been acting,
Yes.
now singing. Both passion, very, very strong, do. Paano mo napapagsabay yun? Kasi ako hindi ako kumakanta. Yung pag-arte pa lang, parang mahirap nang gawin. Pero ikaw kasi, you're pursuing both.
Yeah, baliktad kasi ang nakilala ko sa showbiz as an actor. Pero ang passion ko talaga is to write music and sing. So that's why nag-usap kami ni Derek Loren na talagang this time, ang ipupursue ko na ngayon is how people can view me as the singer who can also act.
My God.
Turning it around.
Puro mga multi-hyphenated. Pati si Alisa! Oo, Alisa.
Yes, Mama.
Go,
Miss
Maui.
Alisa, I know that you are a beauty queen and as well as an actress. So far, ano ba yung nagawa mong role na naging favorite mo?
My favorite role among all was my previous one, which is
Yeah.
I was Miss Jill in Too Good to Be True. So that was memorable, not just in terms of like the character portrayal, because it was one of my challenging ones. Because she's like the opposite of me. I'm not really similar to Miss Jill, so I had to really focus and prepare for the role. And at the same time, I was able to gain friends who are still my friends until now, like Catherine, Via, Pamo, so yun.
Yeah.
Ito kanina narinig natin si Marlo, pero ikaw meron ka rin bagong kanta entitled Paalam. Mapapakinggan natin yan mamaya, pero what's the story behind that?
Yes, so Paalam was actually, very quick trivia lang, it was actually originally pure Tagalog. And then I rewrote the song along with Trisha Denise, and then we made it Taglish so that we could tap both markets, like both yung mga mahilig sa English songs and mahilig sa Tagalog songs. So this song is actually about saying goodbye to a toxic relationship. So yon, you will hear it later sa lyrics na it's a song about women empowerment and how you should value your self-worth and leave relationships that won't make you grow anymore.
We're looking, ito pinapanood namin yung, ito ba yung music video? Yung ba yung
Oh yes,
Silid
yes,
natin?
yes.
Oh.
Yeah, correct.
And Jake Cuenca.
Yes.
Can I just say that si Alisa is giving me Dua Lipa vibes?
Ah, sultry, di ba?
Oh, at saka
Parang even sa music video eh.
grabe yung talent niya.
Oo,
From
ang
beauty
dami,
queen,
no?
tapos actress, tapos singer, then songwriter.
Right.
Wow!
Mami, nasan ba tayo?
May pala. Ano ba ginagawa natin sa buhay natin? Grabe. Ang ganda ng music video.
Ayan. Okay, mamaya maririnig natin si Alisa. Pero muli, maraming salamat, Marlo and Alisa.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, pero hindi pa natatapos.
boses. Grabe.
Lisa, ang ganda. At saka I like na taglish nga.
Love
it!
Alisa, saan namin to pwedeng mapakinggan? And also your socials para for those who haven't followed
Okay.
you yet.
You could stream Paalam in Spotify, Apple Music, and other streaming platforms. And at the same time, you can also check out the music video on the Tarshir Records YouTube channel. And of course, you can also follow me on my social media accounts at Alisa Mulak.
Saan ka punta? Ayan.
Sino ba ang kasama?
Sino ba ang kasama?
Yeah, inimbitahan ko po kayo to please watch out for my single, Huling Ngiti. It will be out on all platforms on July 26. And I upload weekly live covers and vlogs on my YouTube channel. So just go there. And social media accounts, Marlo Mortel.
Mga kapatid, Dimples Romana po, kumpletuhin ang inyong umaga ng mga kwentong puno ng inspirasyon. Salubungin po ang bawat araw ng may ngiti at pag-asa. Kaya't mag-subscribe na po at mag-follow na sa aming social media pages ng News 5.